Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to the PNG Pacific FX, PNG Pacific Capital live streams. This is your host, Jared, tuning in for Asian session. Before we do anything, we're going to check Forex Factory just to see if we have any incoming, just to see if we have any high impact news incoming. Let me just post this first. We're just checking Forex Factory to see if we have any high impact news coming in for the 23rd of September, 2022. Let's see. So we have PMI coming out later on tonight after NYSE Open. We do have a couple of high impact news coming out later on during our London session on GBP. And Euro news too. So we're gonna have a very nice London stream later on. Expecting a lot of volume coming in during London session. So we're gonna take it easy for Asian session now. We're gonna have a very nice chill Asian session this morning. So with that being said, we're gonna go to charts now. Do our top 10 analysis starting on the weekly time frame. Okay, looking at the weekly, this weekly candle made a bottom wick, slightly broke below the previous weekly candle low. Retraced a little bit. Now we're just trading in this range on the daily time frame. Yesterday's daily candle closed back in this range between 1676 and 1664. So really trading in this range now. Looking at the 4-hour time frame. Based on the 4-hour time frame, we have created a high at 1682. We really have this 4-hour candle at after London. During London session yesterday, broke and closed above this resistance area on the 4-hour time frame above 1676, creating a high. Now we're trading bullish on this current 4-hour candle. So if we could potentially close bullish on this 4-hour candle in the next 21 minutes, we could potentially have this next candle popping up, potentially retesting the highs at 1682. So we'll see how that plays out. We already had this 4-hour candle close above this resistance area, so this could potentially be a retracement to push bullish. So depending on this, on how this 4-hour candle closes in the next 21 minutes, we could potentially be looking for buys only in the next for this Asian session. So we'll see how that plays out. Looking at the looking at the 1-hour time frame now. Based on the 1-hour time frame, we are approaching a bit of a resistance here, minor resistance on the 1-hour time frame at 1674.500. So I think if you're going to be taking buys, better buys would be above this level on the 1-hour time frame. If we are going to be taking sells, we really have to wait for price to come below 1670 for us to take sells. In that way, we have clean ranges to the bottom, but we're not going to be concentrating on sells unless we reach this level over here. For this session, we're only going to be looking for buys for this session. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, I think above 1674.50 would be ideal for us to be taking buys on the 30-minute time frame. So everything's pointing towards buys for this session, so we'll see how that plays out. We just have to wait for this 4-hour candle to close in the next 20 minutes. So um this is gonna be a very nice trade. Very nice Asian session. We do have JPY public holidays, so not sure if we're gonna have any much volume, but we'll anticipate the Sydney sessions to push price. Let's see, what kind of holiday is this? Not tomorrow. So yeah. Just looking at silver right now. Let's see if I can trade silver for today. Silver looks good to push bullish. Breaking about the previous forward candle high. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are pushing bullish. Looks good. It looks good. It's good to start driving now. We had a liquidity grab towards the bottom. Clean traffic to the left. Man. Oh, this is great. This looks good. This looks gold looks primed to drive bullish now. Closing in the next 11 minutes, so we shall see where we go from there. I might just take this trade on the 4 hour time frame, cut out the noise on the 1 hour time frame, the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I definitely think this 4 hour candle is going to drive bullish. We have already created a high. The only problem we have is that this daily candle is closed back in the range. So that's the only problem that we have. And we haven't, yesterday's daily candle didn't really break above the previous daily candle high, or the previous daily candle low, which it's just a little bit messy. That's the, yeah. So if I am going to take buys, it's going to be definitely based off the 4 hour time frame. Definitely based on the 4 hour time frame structure. That's definitely what I think is going to happen. So I think I could do that. I think I could do that. Really anticipate the previous 4 candle high to break, and then we can go from there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take this trade based on the 4 hour time frame, guys. We have this 4 hour candle closing in the next 6 minutes, so I think we definitely could drive bullish. Probably a little bit of retracement and then push bullish. Guys, might get an entry now. Guys, this forward candle is about to close in the next 1 minute, so I think we're gonna have a very nice session. Sorry, a nice trade coming up. Got my hand on the trigger. Maybe on the break of the previous forward candle high? Maybe. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe. It's quite a huge stop loss, but we're gonna be managing risk along the way. The forward time frame is a very strong confirmation time frame, so no issues with this. We're gonna be managing risk also on the forward time frame just to cut noise out on the lower time frames. So really anticipating a drive now. There we go, guys. We are flipping bearish on the forward time frame. Hopefully we can break the previous forward candle high and we can continue pushing bullish. Yeah, so we got our sell stops right here. Right there on the previous forward candle right here. Copy. Very nice. Yeah, the 1 hour candle 2 closed. I think it's gonna be a nice trade. I think with this kind of liquidity grab, we could potentially get in on the candle flip. So, just so we can have a tighter stop loss. Yeah. So maybe at 1674.50, I think that would be an ideal place to get in. Right on the candle flip. Um, yeah, we're gonna get in on the candle flip. Oh shit. This is gonna be very nice. This is gonna be a very nice trade. I think we're gonna be managing risk on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. The previous 1 hour cannot close above this minor resistance here too. So if we can flip bullish and stay bullish, that's gonna be ideal. Hey, Gamer Zone, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up, brother? I'm looking at a candle flip entry, but we might get an early entry if we see some potential structure on the 30-minute time frame or the 50-minute time frame. Yeah, we'll see. No entries taken yet. Just really anticipating this forward candle to flip bullish. How you doing, bro? Guys, we're about to get in on the forward time frame. I think we're gonna be managing the risk on the 1-hour time frame. Flipping bullish now. Almost getting triggered. We are flipping bullish. We just need to. We haven't gotten in yet, guys. I just got in over here, guys. Just executed our trade. Trade at 1674.64. Our stop loss is just below the body of the previous 1-hour candle, and we're going to be targeting this size here on the on the forward time frame. So I really think this is going to be a very nice trade. Hopefully we can have volume coming in and pushing up. So when we reach 10 pips, we're going to be looking to secure profit. Not secure profits. We're going to be looking to manage risk at 10 pips, and then yeah. So we do have clean traffic to the left, so I really believe we can definitely push up at this point. When we reach 10 pips, then we're going to be looking to secure, not secure, manage risk. Sorry. Yeah. We're always looking to reduce risk getting into trades, so this is quite a big stop loss. It's like 1.5% stop loss, but yeah, I'm gonna be looking to manage risk along the way. We just need this 1-hour candle stay bullish. Uh, Yeah, we could really start driving now. Yeah, we just need to break above the previous 1 hour candle, which is the previous 4 hour candle, and we're on our way. There we go. I think we can grab 20 pips from this trade. Definitely. But we're going to be managing risk along the way, so. We have broken above the previous 4 hour candle. So maybe, just maybe, we could have a scaling right there, guys. Yeah, we just had a scaling on the break of the previous 30-minute candle high. Previous 4 hour candle high, that is. Yeah, so we have 2 trades running right now. And right here. So 2 trades running. We are going to reduce stop loss. Yeah. This is a high probability setup, that's why I had a scaling. Very confident in this trade. We could be wrong, you know, we could be wrong. Managing my risk, reducing my stop loss. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a nice session. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna get in on this trade too, so we just don't wanna be trapped. There we go, pushing very nicely right now. I'm gonna secure 10 pips of the scaling position. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So the scaling position, we're gonna take profits from it at 10 pips. There we go. Pushing very, very nicely right now. Should keep pushing. A little bit more. We're running like 12 pips from the original position over here, but the scaling position, I'm looking to take it out at 10 pips. So we just need a little bit more push. I could have taken it out, but spreads missed. My TP over here is at 1675.99. Right here. There we go, pushing. See, almost to our target here. This is where we secure profits from the scaling position. And then I think we're gonna move to risk free from the original position, see if it runs. We do have clean traffic to the left, so I really think we could start pushing now. But our outcome and our stop loss is intact, so but our stop loss is at 1672.18. 1672.18. Yeah. There's no risk, there's no reward without risk, so you know, being very, very patient with this trade. It's a trade based on the forward time frame, so I believe if you're gonna run bullish, you know, we really have to give it time. We're only gonna be managing risk when the candle closes. The 1 hour candle closes, and as long as we're trading above 1674, we're good. Good. Oh shit, we're taking a dive right now. We have tapped into 1675, really rejecting this level. 1675 is a pretty strong key level, so if you're gonna break through it, we're really gonna be grinding our way to this level. We need some sort of volume to come in, to be honest. Oh, guys, this doesn't look too good at all. We could definitely get stopped out. What we're gonna do? What we're not gonna do is move our stop loss. Um, yeah, it is what it is, you know. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. This could just be a liquidity grab to continue bearish. Um, yeah, this could just be a liquidity grab to continue bearish, but the thing is, this looks so good to drive bullish. Looking at the forward time frame. So I think there's so much noise on the lower time frame. We're just gonna just stick to the. So much noise on the lower time frames, the 30-minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame. So we'll just stick to the forward time frame for this. I mean, did I miss something on the 30-minute time frame? No. 30-minute candle is so good to drive bullish though. This right here could be a fake out. So if you do break below the previous 30-minute candle low, then I think I'm just gonna get out. Yeah, that's what I want to do. If you do break below the previous 30-minute candle low, then I'm gonna get out because then this will be a fake out. Could definitely still continue bearish at this point, which is really not ideal for us at this point. We still have the 1 hour candle open, so if we can just stay bullish on this 30-minute candle, that would be great. Yeah, if this is a fake out on a 30-minute time frame, this is going to be a very big problem for us. Thinking of taking half my risk out. Yeah, we don't want to be moving our stop losses either. We don't want to make it a habit of moving our stop losses, so we're just going to keep it as it is. Yeah, this doesn't look too good at all. Could definitely get stopped out here. It's okay, if we get stopped out, then the probability wasn't there for the forward candle to drive bullish. We did drive bullish, but I didn't secure positions, that's the problem. There we go, guys. Just go taking out 2 trades for each session and pretty much done for the session. Yeah. Definitely a fake out, guys. Could have managed risk here, but still okay. Oh man, I'm so happy with this. So happy with this loss. Our heart rate was the same when we executed this trade. Our heart rate is the same when we got stopped out. Managed risk, not over trading, not looking to revenge trade, not looking to yeah. So guys, we just got stopped out of this trade. Uh, you know, this is a perfect example of, like accepting this loss, having this an opportunity to build out your character, build my character, build my discipline. um this is an opportunity for me to practice my discipline by not over trading, by not trying to revenge trade, by not trying to over risk, try to make my losses back. So one of my rules is, like, because I had a scaling position, I'm pretty much going to call it a session after this, because that counts as my second trade. So one of my rules is 2 losses for a session, calling it a session. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Asian session, and goodbye for now. I'll see you guys during pre-London session. It's a very nice character building session. Um, sometimes price doesn't play out the way we expect. We just have to deal with it, uh, keep our emotions in check, and move on to the next one. So, cheers, guys. I'll see you guys during pre-London session.